Just not a quick video. This is the stencil printer which I'd thrown up my driveway, obviously against MX5, and dropped it in some monoblocks. Yeah, printed a new test page from it. What had happened was the roller had come off the alignment bracket, which is on this side here. But anyway, we're going to print this stencil or this image. Props to the artist, it's not my work. There's no parts needed for the printer. All it was just a case of me removing the cover and popping it back into place. So here's the bottom part. Now as usual, let the printer do all the work. They are really robust printers, to be honest. I mean, there's only two or three working parts. Recognition strip wasn't damaged, the PCB wasn't damaged, and the motor, none of the casing was damaged. Well, scratched, but not broken. But as I say, let the printer do the work. Just use I'm not pulling the paper out. And once it's finished, simply turn my spirit paper around. And there's my image. Okay, so straight from the screen, onto my spirit paper, and that's all from the printer which I had thrown up my driveway, off the MX5 and on some monoblocks. Once again, thanks for watching.